shooter, not me. Alright, so it's however you want to pull the trigger, alright? I will give you a basis though, alright? Your left foot forward, your right foot back. When you pick up the pistol, fingers gonna wrap around, thumb on top, finger off on the trigger for safety until it's ready to fire. Non-trigger hand round goes around. Two thumbs are gonna overlap, just like that, alright? Yep, just like that. Punch all the way out, lifting up the shoulders, line up the front side close with the back. Close your left eye, right eye open. Lean into it, pull the trigger, okay? Ready? And two mags, alright? Ready to rock and roll, okay? Yep. Let it rip. Wow!
No joke, dude.
I didn't think it was gonna be that crazy.
This is only a 9 mil, man.
Wow.
Alright, a couple more. I know you're good. Yep. Alright, man. You ready to move on? Let's move on to the M4 Commando, alright? This is like a fully automatic weapon, okay? Shoots a 9mm, it's an M4 compound, 124 grade 9mm, okay? Very comfortable shoot. Does have a little bit of recoil on the shoulder though. Same stance like the pistol, left foot forward, right foot back, bust thumbs in the shoulder, hand on the handguard, cheek down. You're gonna look through here, see the red dot, alright? Red dot on the 10, let it rip, okay? Ready?
Nope.
Alright. Nah, man, you'll be alright. It's good, dude. It's good. Just make sure you lean your body weight forward or it'll help with the recoil, okay? Yep. This hand's gonna go here, yep.
Here.
Just like that, yep. It's got some kick, alright, so lean into it. What do you think, man?
I'm about to stay in it, but it goes up to. I want to keep it from going up like that.
Lean into it. Alright, don't worry. More pressure in the back of the buttstock. Lean into it real tight. Keep a good steady grip. See? What do you think? Alright, man. Pull the sense, see how we did.
Not bad.
No, man, you did good. A lot in the red, a little bit of recoil. That's normal with full auto, okay? So you did good. A lot in the red. That's where you want to be. You want to take pictures holding them?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect, perfect. All right, so finger off the trigger for me, hand on the handguard, pointed down at the ground, all right? Smile at him.